Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore Elite washer and electric dryer, and right now I want to show you nice and clean. Everything looks good, and as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. Go ahead and turn this on. Set to large load. Tons of options on this guy. Got it set to fast. Just want to show you a few things on it. One, that it does in fact fill up with water like it's supposed to. And of course the washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked and everything has to work perfectly before it leaves my care or even gets listed up for sale. So as you can see, it's bringing that water in. I'm going to show you real quick that the agitator works here. You should be able to freely spin this in one direction and then not back the other way without the whole thing moving. So freely this way, then not back the other way. If you can spin this freely like this in both directions, then this is not working. This is actually broken. So something you can even check on your own washer. Make sure your clothes are getting nice and clean. Go ahead and just switch this over to the spin cycle. Oh, maybe a little too far there. We'll go right about there. You can hear it draining the water out. See how the drain there works. I'm going to let this get up to full speed. We'll open the lid, show you it's spinning nice and fast. It's nice and smooth. And the lid switch will kick in and shut it down, so you know that works. As I said, nice, smooth operation. Sounds great. Flip that up. And it actually has a brake that it applies, so it comes to a stop nice and fast. That's going to be it for this guy. Go ahead and show you that the dryer works. Alright guys, now I've got a Kenmore electric dryer, and I'm going to show you real fast as well that it works perfectly. So we'll just hit it on time dry, high heat, and then we'll just leave that off, doesn't really matter. And as you can see in here, it's nice and smooth. Sounds great. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Right in between those two red dots, that's where it takes a surface temperature measurement. Kind of see the difference here between the machine and the floor. And we'll open this up. We're going to shoot that right inside the heating element tube. Plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. Get a picture of it for the ad. But in turn, so heat comes out of this tube, heats the inside of your dryer up anywhere from 95 up to 195. And that just depends on what you have your heat setting at right here. You have 4 heat settings, all the way from delicate low, all the way up to jeans and towels high. And you have your cycle signal, which is nice. If you got a baby sleeping, you can turn it off. And then you've got air dry, and then automatic over here on your timer as well. So now you know everything works perfect on these guys. We'll get them listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.